In this video, I'm going to take you through the 4 essential elements that you need to have in your career change cover letter. Let me just give them to you straight and then I'll explain further and give you examples and samples for each of these elements. The first one, you need to start with a catchy introduction. The second thing, explain why you are changing careers. Number 3, highlight your transferable skills and achievement. And finally, I want you to close with a very powerful paragraph that will make the reader want to invite you for an interview right away. So without further ado, let's get started. So, number 1, start with a catchy introduction. This is your chance to grab the attention of the hiring manager and make your first good impression. This is where you introduce yourself, who you are, what you're applying for, and also be able to highlight one of your key skills or achievement that will show how relevant you will be in this new role, even if it is not in the same field as you have been before. For example, let's assume you're applying for a position in sales and previously you have been a teacher. This is how your introduction would be like. Dear hiring manager, my name is Jane Doe. I am thrilled to apply for the sales associate position at ABC company. As a former teacher with over 5 years experience in education, I have developed strong communication skills and interpersonal skills that I believe are essential for the success in sales. In my previous role, I was able to increase student engagement by 25%, improve test scores by 15%, and foster positive relationships with parents and colleagues. You can see how powerful that introduction is. By the way, you can be able to get more examples of this introduction and all the other elements. There's a link in the description of this video that will take you to an article that I've just laid it down in form of an article. Let me just as an extra bonus, here is another introduction statement. This time round is someone who has been an accountant now trying to get into data analysis. This is what they would say. Dear Ms. Roy, as a lifelong enthusiast of XYZ company, I was thrilled to see your job ad for data analyst. As a qualified accountant, I have spent the last 6 years crunching numbers and data at ABC company to ensure that data is well managed and then used for strategic advantage. I've always been the numbers guy, and now I am keen to put my mathematical and analytical skills to use in a data role. Number 2, explain why you are changing careers. Now, in the second paragraph, this is where you address the elephant in the room. Show them that you have done your homework. You clearly understand what they are doing. You also understand what your future career is going to be, and then show them how you can be able to come in and help them in that specific role. Let me give you an example. If you are an accountant, now you want to change gears and to be a web developer, your second paragraph should read something like this. I have always had a passion for technology and creativity, and I decided to pursue a career change to web development after taking several online courses on Coursera. I have learned the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. And I have built several projects that showcase my skills and creativity. You can view some of my work on my portfolio website. I'm eager to apply my knowledge and skills to real-world problems and create innovative solutions for your clients. You can see how you are able to address why you're changing careers, but still showing that you are a best fit for this position. And I've said, for more examples on how you can be able to explain why you're changing roles, check the link in the description of this video that will take you to the article. Number 3, now you are highlighting your transferable skills and relevant achievement to this new role. Now, transferable skills are skills that can be used differently in different contexts. For example, problem solving, leadership, teamwork, and customer service. And here you need to give very specific examples and qualify your achievement and show them how exactly they had an impact in your role where you're working. Now, let's look, for example, you are applying for a position of project manager and you have been working as a nurse. This is how that statement would be, showcasing your achievement, your skills, and how they are relevant to this specific role that you're applying for. As a nurse, I have gained valuable experience in managing multiple tasks, prioritizing deadlines, collaborating with diverse teams, and delivering quality care to patients. I was able to reduce medication error by 30%, increasing patient satisfaction by 20%, and led a team of 10 nurses to implement a new protocol that improved efficiency and safety. I am confident that I can apply these skills to manage complex projects, coordinate resources, communicate effectively, and ensure customer satisfaction at company XYZ. Number 4, having a powerful closing paragraph. This is where you restate why you're interested in that position. This is where you show your enthusiasm and how you fit to that position and that company, and show them that you actually did your homework and you know what you're talking about. And the other thing, in the last paragraph, you need to have a very strong call to action, like asking them to invite you for an interview or asking them to contact you to get more information. For example, if you are applying for a job of social media manager and you're transitioning from being a journalist, the last powerful statement or paragraph in your cover letter should read something like this: I am impressed by the work that ABC Company does to promote social causes and empower communities through storytelling and digital media. I share your passion for creating engaging and impactful content that inspires action and change. I believe that I can bring my skills, experience, and creativity to your team and help you grow your online presence, reach new audience, and increase your impact. I would love to discuss this opportunity with you in more details and show you how I can add value to your company. Please feel free to contact me through my email, daniel@careerpoint.co.ke, or call me on 07227788. Thank you for your consideration. If you're feeling stuck in your career, if you're looking to change your career, probably you have been stuck in a job longer than you should have been, then I want to give you an opportunity to book a free career consultation call with me. Check the link in the description of this video or head over to careerpoint.co.ke/book call. Here, you will book a call, you'll select a time, then we will be able to discuss where you're at in terms of your career, what you're looking forward to get into, and how I can be able to come in and help you. Again, the address is careerpoint.co.ke/book call. And I'm looking forward to having this discussion, how I can help you get unstuck in your career and actually get to the next level of your career. Changing career can be exciting and overwhelming at the same time, especially when you're applying for a job that is different from what you have been doing in the past. I can be able to help you navigate through these challenging moments and times by helping you change your career to something that you're happy about, you're passionate about, and that is why I am giving you this offer. Also, take a look at this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, I'm out.